Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Trader Joe's fried rice. It's incredibly simple to prepare a delicious meal in minutes. First, ensure your pan or wok is nice and hot before adding about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. This initial heat is crucial for achieving that perfect texture. Then, simply add the frozen fried rice directly from the package, no thawing needed. This method ensures a quick and satisfying dish every time. To truly elevate your Trader Joe's fried rice, consider adding some fresh ingredients. You can easily incorporate about 1/2 cup of your favorite vegetables, like peas or carrots, for extra nutrition and crunch. For a heartier meal, scramble 1 or 2 eggs directly in the pan or toss in some pre-cooked chicken or shrimp. A small splash of soy sauce or a few drops of sesame oil at the end will deepen the flavors beautifully, making it even more delightful. Achieving the perfect texture for your fried rice is all about timing and technique. Cook the rice for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently to ensure every grain gets evenly heated and slightly browned. You're looking for the rice to be thoroughly heated through, with some pieces developing a pleasant crispiness. This consistent stirring prevents sticking and promotes that desirable fried rice texture, transforming it from frozen to fantastic in just a few minutes. Once your Trader Joe's fried rice is perfectly cooked, it's time to serve it up. For a vibrant finish, sprinkle some freshly chopped green onions or cilantro over the top. This adds a lovely pop of color and a fresh aromatic touch. Enjoy it as a quick and satisfying main course on its own, or pair it with other Asian-inspired dishes like spring rolls or dumplings for a more elaborate meal. It's a versatile and delicious option for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.